learning also. This is a session which will be dealing with learning. The objectives will be discuss the forces influencing the workplace and learning and explain how training can help companies deal with these forces. Draw a figure or diagram and explain how training, development, informal learning, and knowledge management contribute to this success. Discuss various aspects of the training design process. These are the objectives for this current session. Describe the amount and types of training occurring in US companies. Discuss the key role of training professionals. Identify appropriate resources for learning about training, research, and practice. Importance of training. Now, as I have discussed earlier, also once again I am here with some new slides, some new extra knowledge, information about importance. There are many challenges and opportunities in the workplace today. Training equips individuals with necessary knowledge, skills, and abilities. Training serves to attract employees to companies, engages them, and promotes retention. Training helps to create a competitive advantage. Now, this is a diagram which is showing the key components of learning or training. Formal training and employee development, learning, human capital, performance improvement, reach business goals, informal learning, and knowledge management. This is the diagram which is clearly making a difference between training and learning, how training and learning are different from each other, and how they both contribute to employee development. Yes. Then key components of learning are learning, acquiring knowledge, skills, competencies, attitudes, or behaviors, human capital, knowledge, advanced skills, system understanding, and creativity, motivation to deliver high quality products and services. These are the key components of learning. Training facilitates learning, job-related competencies, knowledge, skills, or behavior. Development, future-focused, includes formal education, job experiences, relationships, and assessments. Formal training and development developed and organized by the company. So these are the basic things which are included or which are the key components of learning and training. And if we pay attention to this slide, it's also telling us about a basic or major difference between or a core difference between training and development. Key components of learning. When we talk about informal learning, learner initiated, that the person whom you want to learn should take the initiative, occurs without a trainer or instructor, motivated by an intent to develop, does not occur in a formal learning setting, breadth, depth, and timing is controlled by the employee. So these are the key components of learning, and here we are talking about informal learning, that when the learning is not in a very formal manner, in a discipline or systematic manner. Here what we are having simply informal learning, and it is totally learner oriented. Now, key components of learning also includes explicit knowledge. Explicit knowledge means well documented, easily articulated, and easily transferred from person to person. That knowledge which can be documented very well, and it can be easily presented or articulated and easily transferred from one person to another. That if you have learned something, then you can also transfer that particular learning to another person also. And its primary focus of formal. This is the primary focus of formal training. When we are giving a formal training sessions or formal training programs to the employees, then these must be our most focus areas. The tactic knowledge, personal knowledge based on individual experiences that is difficult to codify, facilitated by informal learning. Now, tactic knowledge, when I talk about tactic knowledge, then it is personal knowledge based on individual experiences that is difficult to codify, means to give to do coding for them, facilitated by informal learning, and there also we have to take support from informal learning. Now, key component, the next point is knowledge management, how knowledge should be managed. This is an important point, that how you will be able to manage the knowledge in an organization, because when we talk about an organization, then keeping the knowledge as a data bank and managing the knowledge, both are to be done, and you have to do both the things very